forward. Last, I just would like to share, this is something that I've been talking about on other platforms also, but I thought this is a good time to just share with some of you regarding a very important project which we are also about to start, which we are calling the Cabinet Retreat. And this is a program that we're going to start in the month of January, where we are asking all departments to come, and for 2 days, all the heads of departments will share their presentation on what was their mandate as a department, what have they achieved, what have they done and what have they achieved, what have they not achieved, and what are they going to do to achieve those targets and those mandates in the coming 5 years. The idea is very simple. Sometimes a lot of the departments actually, because of the daily routine of programs and schemes, we actually forget what is our mandate. I hope that this cabinet retreat will allow each department to introspect as to what they were meant to do and what they are doing. But while they do that, the other departments will also see what those departments were supposed to do or what programs they're doing. And for example, if soil conservation is saying that we're going to make 1,000 check dams, the PH department can intervene and say, can you have those 1,000 check dams in the programs in the places where we have the JGM program, so that your efforts can then work in convergence with the PH department, and we can solve both the problems in one go. So you can imagine when all departments are sitting together and forest is presenting and PH is watching and soil conservation is also listening and mining department is listening and so on and so forth, there will be a very good environment of collaboration and planning, and the government will be working in synchronization rather than randomly creating many programs but not achieving the goal at the end of the day. So this is what we